My wife and I found this 2009 E92 BMW 335i for a pretty good price. So we drove up to Michigan to purchase it, put it on the car hauler, and brought it back. It's the 6-speed manual, all-wheel drive E92 coupe with the 335 package. So it's got the twin turbo straight six. Within the first few days of owning it, we decided to, or I decided to purchase the JB4 tune kit so I could run it on E85 and, you know, obviously increase boost and make it go faster. In the process of doing so, I noticed that my IATs, or my intake air temps, when doing back-to-back runs, were reaching close to 180 degrees. So what I ended up doing was purchasing an ARM 7-inch front mount intercooler, which is the biggest one they sell. And that brought me down to, instead of roughly 100 degrees over ambient, to 20 degrees over ambient after back-to-back pulls. So it's a much needed mod. So, but I noticed when idling from a cold start, it would have a hesitation and it sounded like it was misfiring. So decided to purchase all new coils and spark plugs. So I did that and just got to install it. So here's that. So, BMW has a weird 12-point design that you have to use to get over their spark plugs, but the 14mm socket doesn't actually fit down in there because the walls are so tight. So, looks like I'm gonna have to put the socket on the lathe and turn it down to the inside diameter of the spark plug hole. So, do that now. So it doesn't look phenomenal, but That's how much it took to be able to get it to fit. So looks like it might only be a few thousandths, but fits now. So as you can see, it's a good fit. So everything's installed. Gonna start it up, back it up, and then go take it for a couple pulls. It's wet, so I'll do just a quick 0 to 60-ish with the spark plugs and all the new goodies, coil packs and everything on. So the car's all-wheel drive, so it should handle this pretty well. That was the first four-wheel drive burnout I think I've done. Here's the ARM 7-inch intercooler next to the OEM intercooler. You can see it's a good bit bigger. Okay, the next video will be more mods.